Hey, welcome back, my amazing student. So in this lecture here, I'm going to show you how to log out in super simple. By using this package, Flask-Login, up here, we're able to have all those functionalities added to our project really easy. All right, so right here, I'm going to pull out from that package the logout user function, just like that. Logout underscore user. Now let's go back in here. Where do we want that button? We want a button and we want it on the route inside this template right here somewhere. As a matter of fact, hold on. Yeah, we'll go into the dashboard. Right now, what I need to do is I need to go into right below login. We should have logout at the end, actually. Let me just, yeah, that's fine. All right, so I'm just gonna put it right here. I'm gonna add the route right here. And I'm gonna say logout. That's gonna be the endpoint. The function is gonna call logout, be called logout. And we are going to use that logout function, that logout underscore user function in here. And that's gonna log out the user. It's gonna delete all the sessions for that user, and that user won't be able to be on that protected route anymore. And once we do that, what we can do here is we can flash. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually set this up on the next lecture, I believe, the flashes, all right? So we can give messages across different pages. So you have been logged out, and I'm just gonna put success there. And then I'm gonna return a redirect once they're logged out to maybe the index, right? Boom. All right, so now let's go ahead and create a button that would take us to this route right here. So let's go to dashboard here, and maybe in dashboard, this should be protected. It is protected, and we can add some widgets later. Yeah, we can do that. And this is already protected. What I can do here is I can add a link that goes to that particular route. All right, or we can use URL 4. It's up to you. And I'm gonna call this logout. Let me create some, actually style this a little bit, round it to be LG, background rows 500. Notice that I keep the same colors across the pages. That's what you guys got to do. Keep the same styles in one page and in the next one. All right, just so everything looks uniformed. All right, so text rows 300. All right, let me see how that looks. That looks okay. That looks very good, right? So when I hover over it, we don't have no hover effect. So let's go ahead and put that in as well. Let me put that in right here. And I'm gonna say, when you hover over this, I want the background to change to rows 500, and the opacity is gonna be 30%, and make the text small. Right? So these are classes, and as you can see, Tailwind CSS is very expressive. You can express very good. You can learn it really fast, basically. So refresh, and if I go over it, you can see now that, yeah, that changes up a little bit because it's a little lighter. Now, when I click logout, it says was now found on the server. Misspelling here. So href is supposed to go to logout. All right, let's go back. That looks like about right on the server side. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use URL 4 in here, and let's see if that takes care of the issue. All right, URL 4, and we go to logout. All right, let's go back in here. login instead. So why do I have this? So this is, oh, sorry about that. I did it right after return app. What was I doing? This has to go inside. Yeah, I know you guys saw it and did not tell me about it. It's just that I have so much code here. Let me just, too much separation here makes me get lost. So right before, under this, that's where I'm gonna do it, all right? And Flash is not imported yet, so let's import it here. And I was looking at it, you saw me pausing, right? When I was putting the function down below here, I was pausing. So let's go back in here, and I'm just gonna leave it like that, but yeah, you can see that it works now because we're not able to access the dashboard. So dashboard, you can see now that, yeah, we have to log in, all right? So let's do one more login and we should be good. And one more log out, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, enter, and voila. Now we're logged in. So now we can go to homepage. That's great. We shouldn't be able to see any of this. We can actually, you know, avoid this stuff here. But yeah, dashboard, we can go back in there. And that actually broke. No, it did not break. There we go. That worked. And then we log out. All right, so it's working, guys. Thank you so much for watching my courses. Give me a thumbs up. Share this course with anybody that you care about. You know, help me out, support the channel one way or the other. You can support it by giving me some likes, some comments, some motivation stuff, guys, so that I can keep going and producing more courses for you. Believe it or not, you know, sometimes I wake up and not motivated enough to record, but since I know that I'm helping somebody out there, it really motivates me to keep going. Anyway, guys, again, I'll see you in the next lectures or the next course. Remember to keep looking in the descriptions and wait for my next courses. Take care.